Okay guys, here we are again and welcome back to our video on the air compressor, which I showed you in video 1. Going to pump the tyres up on the car with it. So I thought this would be a good test, and I finally got the delivery hose unwrapped. It was done with cling film. Took me forever to unwind it. Love it. Anyway, got it unwrapped now. So I'm going to put this end in. It's easy enough. It's just a bayonet fit. So we'll just pop that there. And we'll just give that a push and it clips in. Easy as that. Hold the back to support it and push it in. Simple as that. So that's good. Also, this gives me a chance to do another unveiling, if you like. This is a kit that also came from the same people who make the compressor, part side. It was $9.99. So I thought I'd reveal this, as I actually need the bit for pumping the tyre up. And so I thought it would be a good idea to go through it, see what we've got for our money. But there's loads of bits. I have to be a bit careful here because I'm going to be dropping them everywhere again. There's an adapter there for, looks like pumping up a football. In fact, there's all different types of adapters for doing all sorts of wonderful things. Oh, I see what they've done, they've like riveted it through. Right, hang on a minute, let's just open this up. Right, let's have a look, because this is all just getting real confusing. Right, okay, pneumatic toolkit. Yeah, so you've got various things there. Gives you an idea of what they're for. Got a warranty. Oh yeah, that reminds me, the compressor comes with a 3-year warranty. So I think that's pretty decent warranty these days. Anyway, shows you all the parts there. Gives you technical data. It fits a standard air compressor, maximum of 8 bar. You can use it for inflating beds and all sorts. Yeah, I showed you there. Tyres. So yeah, there's substantial things there. Right, but the main bit we kind of need is for inflating the tyres, so let's sort that out, shall we? Right, let's get that over there. The cord here. Right, that's the bit that goes onto the tyre itself. And then this bit screws in half. And you've got to be careful not to cross thread it, which is always a good thing. There you go. That's easy enough, isn't it? Like that. I'm just going to get a adjustable spanner. Okay, here we go. I want an adjustable spanner. Yeah. Don't need to over tighten it, because it has got a seal on it. So just tighten it up. Making sure it doesn't slip. Right, hold it. Okay. There you go. Right. It's on. It's on. You've got your trigger there. Interesting. Need to read the instructions, find out what that buzzer is about. Ah! I think that's to release the pressure so you get a reading on your gauge properly. As you can see, very easy to read gauge. And made a plastic part. Well, it's a sort of a rubber actually. So yeah, pretty durable. Very well finished. I've got to admit, I love this green. I like the green. I've got a thing about green. British racing green, isn't it? Eh? Right. Okay, next, let's get that next to again, easy enough to fit. Job done. Okay, easy enough to get off. Pushes on. So this is quite good hose then, look at it. Right, okay, next thing is to attach the power. So something coil there. That's quite handy, this handle. It allows you to coil it down. Right now, when you're using any compressor, if you have to run an extension lead, it's important that you uncoil your lead completely, okay, because otherwise you'll get a build-up of current in the actual cable. You cause a resistance in the cable, and as this is drawing over a kilowatt, the motor, that's the last thing you need. It will make it overheat and could damage the motor, so fully uncoil it before use, okay. Make sure the button's pushed down, and then take it in. Okay, move it out of the way. Okay, right, I'll pump it up and there we go. Right, now we can get that out. Surprised it was actually pumping up as well as it was, considering the drain valve was open. It's doing very well. That's pumping up very quickly. Almost there now. That's it. Job done. Okay, right, now let's pump this up. Yeah, there we go. We've got plenty of air there. Right, so there we go. Just push the lever and it will open the little gate. Let's go on. Release it. There we go. Now the compressor might well pump up in a minute. For lowering some air out if you're over the top of it. So that's quite a useful little function, that. So there you go, that's one done. As quick as that. Very good. And it didn't take long to pump up either, so So far so good. Okay, let's do the front one. Doesn't do very well. Again, push the little lever in. On, and away we go. That's it. Well, that first test has been a great success. Absolutely works perfectly. In fact, it runs very just warm actually. That's very good. That's not even, that's lukewarm that. I'm impressed with that. That is a good quality. That's a good quality compressor. I like that. And that is protection, but it's cooling. Those fins, they're actually for cooling. A lot of cheaper compressors don't have that normally. Well, they've actually put cooling on there, cooling fins to keep that pipe. That pipe gets extremely hot when it's pumping up. So that's all good. This is very good, yeah. Quite a bit of heat there, yeah. Cylinder head's quite hot, as you can imagine it would be. Right, now I need to pump up one of my trailer wheels as it happens. So we'll do that next. Squeeze here. My caravan right there. I've got to pump this up. It's quite low. Take the cap off. Again, hang on. Okay. Push it in. Hang on. No problem. At 50 psi these are. The last ones I've got to do is my caravan tyres. I've got to go this way. 22 psi. Not good. Right. There's one little safety thing I want to show you, which a lot of compressors don't seem to have. This one does, which I'm well pleased with. As you can see, that's under pressure, which means the airline is under pressure. Now normally, if I was to push that, that will fly out of there because it's under pressure. But this has got a really good release valve on it, and you'll hear it when I go to unload it. Which means it empties the system, empties the pipe system, not the tank. The tank stays full, only the line, which means I can safely drop that out there without that firing out. Because if I didn't, I'm trying to push that in. I need 15 pairs of hands here. Let's see if I can do that again. Ideally, to be. There you go. Right. Okay. Now, if I load that back up, and I was to do that now, that will fly out of there and it could hurt someone, as you can see. So that idea where it unloads the system very quickly, it's fantastic, and it's just emptied it. There you go, simple as that. So it's just a little safety note I wanted to show you there. So it's just another plus for this compressor. So there you go. If you've liked this video, please put a like up and subscribe to my channel. So take care. See you again soon. Bye.